Hi everyone, Mr. Thompson here for your Lesson 8 review. We started off with opening the blue books and going into page 9 and looking at song number 29. Song number 29 has all of the notes on the D string and the A string that we need to know. The more we can memorize these notes, the more successful we'll have of a time in playing our string instrument. To help you with this in lessons, I've been giving out flashcards. On one side, your notes are available. On the other side, it tells you what letter name the note is. It also tells you how many fingers on what string. So make sure you use those flashcards. If you're having trouble reading notes, go to those often. Keep them in your folder. You might want to keep them in your backpack or something and pull them out when you have a quick second. Have someone quiz you on them so that you can improve in knowing your notes. The second thing that we did after doing that was we reviewed our D string and A string notes, and we learned the D major scale. In music class, you might have heard do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. That's a major scale. And so what we're going to do is we're going to combine the D string and A string notes in order to play a D major scale. So we start with open D, E, F sharp, G, all right, B, C sharp, D. We used those notes, and then we would go backwards. D, 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 C, 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 B, 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 all the way down. Just make sure you're making a good sound on your string instrument. So do that every time you play. You might want to start with that because it uses every note that you possibly could do on any of the strings. Next, we reviewed the notes D and A when bowing with the down bow and up bow cymbals. So this week, you're going to go into your book and look at songs numbers 48 and 49 and do those in your lesson book. They will be using D string and A string, and remember how you have to move your elbow out or move your chicken wing up or down to adjust going from the D string to the A string. And finally, we reviewed the note B, B being one finger on the A string, and then I handed out one final song called Snow Angels. And for everyone on Snow Angels, we use the same notes. So we start on the A string, D, D, C, B, A, A. And so what I suggest is that you know how to say it before you play it. If you can say it, you can play it. So that means looking at your music and saying the notes. D, D, C sharp, B, A, D, D, C sharp, B, A, rest. And then you might want to play just that line. And then do the same thing for the second line. Play the second line. Do the same thing until you have all four lines down. You're playing and playing pizzicato with a steady beat. So I'm going to listen to you play Snow Angels next time, as well as your Hot and Greasy French Fries D major scale, and the songs 48 and 49 in your lesson book. If you're having trouble with any of this, please let me know. I'll be happy to send you a little video to help you out or listen to what you're doing. If you want to record yourself and send it to me, I'd love to hear it. So until then, happy practicing and see you for lesson 9.